Hi, myself Jogan Johnson, URK 19CS1034. So today I'm going to explain you the experiment number 4, that is make a Java application of movie ticket booking using setter getter function, classes and objects, and mm, constructors. So let's start. I've created a movie class, and in that I have created private for name and private for theater name and private for number of tickets and private for cost. And after that, I have used constructor movie for calling, and I have used scanner class. After that, I have used print statement for printing the name of that movie, that is enter the name of the movie, and same as I have done in printing that name, I've used for theater name and also and number of tickets and the cost per ticket. So after that, I have used set name and get name, that is setter and getter function. And set name is used for entering that value, the storing that name of that movie, and get name is used for getting that name of that movie. And same as usual for theater name and for number of tickets and cost per ticket, like that I've used set and getter function. After that, I have used function store all details for storing the details of that movies, like name of that movie, theater name, number of tickets, and cost of the tickets. So after that, I have used another function view all details, as you can see here, for viewing all the details of that movie, like name of that movie, theater name, where is the theater, means what is the theater's name, and number of tickets and cost of the tickets. Okay. After that, I have used another class movie one for displaying it, like I've used movie list for storing the movie list names. And after that, I've used do while loop, that is after that I've used print statement for printing that, like for the starting page, that is welcome to the cinema hall. And one is for add movie details, second case is for search and book, third case is for view all details. So I have used switch function, that is if you enter one, then it will go to case one, that is enter the number of movies you want to enter. And after that, I have used movie list, I have made a dynamic array. And after that, I use for loop, as you can see, for storing the movie's name. And after that, I have used print statement, that is the data saved. And if you press 2, that is case 2, then it will check the movie name is used for movie name. And after that, I've used for loop for it, for iteration. And after that, I've used print statement for checking the for booking a ticket, that is would you like to book a ticket for this movie. If you want, then press 1, and if you want to exit, then press 2. Okay. If you press 1, then the this case will run, that is system dot print, that is enter the number of tickets you want to enter, means how you want to book. Then after that, it will calculate the amount, that is movie list dot get cost. I've used get function for cost, as you can see here, uh, here get cost. So we'll return that value, and it will multiply by tick, that is you want number of tickets. Okay. So if you press 2, then else it will break, and I've used flag for it. After that, if you press 3, that is for viewing all the details, then it will print all the details of that, uh, means how many numbers, how many movies you entered, all the details will be printed. So let's see whether it will run or not. So enter your choice. I'm adding one movie right now, and number of movies right now 1. And enter the name of the movie Avengers. Okay, and enter the theater name Wave Cinema, and enter the number of tickets is available for it for selling 40. I have entered, and the cost for, per ticket is 450. Just random data is saved right now, and it will ask, do you want to continue? One for yes and two for no. Yes. Okay, then if you want to search second, okay, enter the movie name, that is Avengers, and it will tell you the name, theater name, number of tickets available, cost of ticket, and would you like to book ticket or not. If you want to book, then press 1. Let's see, for pressing 1, enter the number of tickets you want to enter, like 2. So 450 into 450 into 2, you want to buy 2 tickets, so 450 into 2 is 900. So you can see the bill comes up to be 900. So if you want to exit, then 2, execution completed. I hope you understood my code. Thank you.